You've seen it. 50 cents instead of 50 cents. It breaks trust in your UI and looks unprofessional. The fix is a single hidden property most developers miss. Instantiates an international number format object configured for the END locale with Euro currency formatting, enforcing exactly 2 decimal places via minimum fraction digits set to 2. This creates a reusable formatter that will format numbers as European-style euro amounts using English language conventions for digit grouping, but German-style number formatting rules such as dot for thousands separator and comma for decimal separator. Invokes the previously configured formatter's format method with the numeric value 0.5, producing a formatted string representation of that value as an euro amount per the END locale settings and outputs it to the console. Always set minimum fraction digits when formatting currencies to prevent embarrassing inconsistencies. Subscribe for daily coding videos.